We're standing in the courtroom right now, and it's part of the center, so the Efficient Center of Crime Scene Laboratory and Courtroom. This space will be utilized to train all types of expert witnesses. So anyone being called to testify as an expert in their field or in their profession will receive training here, and it feels very real. I've testified many, many times, and coming into this space truly feels like a courtroom. This space also holds there's a camera that will, when a person is testifying, they will be videoed, and then they will receive that as part of their training afterwards, because it's what you say, but also your movements, your tone of voice, and things that we don't realize, like talking with our hands, that might be distracting to the jury. It might be effective, but it's such a great feedback, a tool, watching yourself in that moment and testifying. Also, when an expert is testifying, we will have the technology. They'll have a small iPad in front of them, and they'll be able to circle evidence and things that they're speaking about, and it will be projected onto a larger screen so that the jury can see the testimony and the evidence when the expert's talking about that particular evidence. We have a 12-person section for the jury and space for people to also watch the testimony along with the judge and prosecution and defense, their tables and podium.